Toyota Wish 2009 to 2020 version. Install Cogoo T series 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing. OEM socket plug and play. IPS screen. Okay, connect with Cogoo night view reverse camera. And connect with 1Go USB DVR. It's got a micro SD card slot. Install APK, file manager, USB. So DVR.apk, you have to install the apps. After that, click for the traffic safety. Okay, you can voice record or video record, or go to setting and playback. Aux video input and video output. Equalizer. A file manager. 10.1 inch Android player. No SD card, no DVD, but it's come with 2 USB slots. So one USB extension we put in a drawer. You can insert pen drive or hard disk. Another USB slot is connect to 1Go USB DVR. So we're hidden inside behind the player. Back. Styling control setting. Play Store download app. Square icon. Long press, draw it to left or right for split screen function. So if you don't want a split screen, you can turn off. Okay, square icon, clear apps, clear one by one or close all. Radio. Select the frequency you want. Long press to save it. Flexible software control. This is the main page, cannot change, but you can change the wallpaper background. Main page, flexible page, page 1 or page 2. Bluetooth function, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After that, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. So this is Cogoo T series, 10.1 inch. Setting. One GB RAM, 16 GB storage. Android version 9. With OEM casing, good fitting, OEM socket plug and play. Connect reverse camera, Cogoo night view. Installed by 1bis. Video by Andy. Thank you.